That's better. Nice. So every time she softens, give your hands a little bit.
Ooh, you've got 2 messages. Whoa. I find it a lot harder on this way. Keep it going.
Right then. A little bit sticky. Take up a bit more contact. That's it. Beautiful.
Because you lot are in the middle, isn't it?
Yeah, she does that in my lessons. That's it.
How do I keep her on the track a bit more?
More inside leg. She is quite